Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to try to recreate this look by French. I think her name is Frenchie. Well, that's what her TikTok name is, but I saw this look and I thought that it was really nice and I would like to do something like that because I don't really be doing makeup like that. So today we're gonna try something new. So enough talking, we're gonna jump right into the video. Don't mind my forehead. I know it's all swollen, but hey, I'm still cute though. Next, I'm going to be using my Dewy Smooth Foundation by Fit Me in the shade Coconut 355. Yeah. I'm gonna start off with that because like I don't think she started off with that, but I'm gonna start off with that because yeah. So let me get my sponge brush. Let me just, I had already moisturized my face and everything, so yeah. Next, I'm going to be using two concealers to put under my eyes and just to conceal the spots that I need to conceal on my face. So I have the Wet n Wild one, which is in medium deep tan, and then I have the the LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is in the shade Classic Ivory. This one's lighter than this one. You can kind of see that already. It's lighter than that one. So I'm gonna put this one first, and then I'm gonna put that one. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows now. So I'm gonna do it off camera because I do my eyebrows on camera all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay, so now that I did my eyebrows, I'm going to be attempting to contour my nose because I never really contoured my nose. Well, I never contoured my nose before, so this shall be interesting. Okay, we're gonna attempt this. Dead. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. want to go back in. I'm gonna fix it. Don't worry. I'm not about to be looking like Michael Jackson out here. No, I'll fix it. I'll fix it. I'll fix it. What did she do next? I think she put this on her nose. Oh, I have it right here. She put it on her nose like this, like right in the middle. Like that, I think. I think I'm supposed to contour some more. I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Oh, for my contour palette, I'm using this. It's True Complexion Contour Palette, medium to dark. Just so y'all know. Oh, I'm supposed to put setting powder, I think. Like right here. That looks so crazy, like sad. I haven't put setting powder on my face since like my birthday shoot, I would say. And I know like that she puts a lot of highlight after like she contours. So I'm gonna be putting a lot of highlight. I hope this like turns out well. I look so crazy. It's not even funny. I mean, it's working. I say that it look like the same, honestly. But yeah, we'll see. So now, take some more of this setting powder. I'm gonna let that sit on my nose for a little while. In the meantime, I'm going to put some color. Well, she didn't really have any like type of eyeshadow on, so it's just like a base color, honestly. So then I see that she goes in with like a highlight, but she makes it where it's like literally like you see that? She kind of had it like that. Yeah, somewhat. I look crazy in the mirror. Okay, now that I got my eyelashes on, the next thing I need to do is my lips. So I have my lip liner, and I'm just gonna do my lips. Okay, now I'm going to add my lip gloss. Oh, it got in my mouth. Yeah. Maybe I should put some more liner on my bottom lid. Let me see. Okay, better. Little dots all over my face because that's what she had done in the picture. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna do my hair and then we'll be done. So this is the final look. I just decided to like change my outfit and put on some fake nails because lip balm, period. But this is the final look. I really like it. It's really cute, really simple, you know. It's really cute. I like it. And it makes me look more, it makes me look older than I am, because I'm only 19, but it makes me look way older. So yeah, this is the look. Pretty cute, bomb. So yeah, I'm gonna go with it. I'm about to go make a few TikToks with this before I take it off. But I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I said I hope you guys like them. I hope you guys like this video, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again in the next YouTube video. Like I always say, but I will. So everybody stay safe. Continue to watch my videos, and much love. Stay blessed. Stay safe. Stay happy. And yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm over here going like this. Girl, like these nails won't pop off. Hope you guys come back to my channel and continue to watch me as I continue my makeup growth and stuff. As I continue growing in my makeup and my hair and stuff like that. Until then. Bye.
Luke, shut up.